Good H1014, easy74 X-ray golf.
easyJet X-ray golf, roger. Further instructions unless requested. While right of the recommended track, correcting rapidly. Turn right heading 300 degrees. Turn right 30 degrees heading 330. 8.5 miles. 20 degrees heading 350. 8 miles. 60. Turn further 10 degrees to the right, heading 000. Correction, turn right, heading 010 degrees. 6.5 miles. Left of recommended track, correcting slowly, 6 miles. 5.5 miles, approaching descent point. 5 miles, begin descent now for a 3-degree glide path. Four and a half miles, 1350 feet, check gear, acknowledge.
Gears down, 3 greens, easy74 X-ray golf.
Roger. 4 miles, 3.5 miles, 1050 feet. Clear to land, runway 080 degrees, 18 knots.
Clear to land, runway 09, easy74 X-ray golf.
3 miles, 920 feet. At point X-ray, are you visual with the threshold?
Visual with the threshold, easy74 X-ray golf.
Roger, continue visually. 74 X-ray golf, contact 12 tower 131.2.
131.6, 74 X-ray golf, bye.